ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। वंशकल्पतरुश्च कृपा सिन्धु भवेव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौरभक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। First of all, I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, Lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtotra Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Sila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtotra Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Sila Narayana Goswami Maharaj, and simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, Lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtotra Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Swami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all of Vaishnavis and presented all of my respectful guests. Especially, I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya Lila, Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtotra Srimad Bhakti Sila Bhakti Madhuri, and Param Puja Sri Uma Didi. Today is very super excellent, auspicious day. Today is her disappearance day, but we are so busy in Chile, and especially we are very far from the all countries. Here the end of the countries that is called Punina. So this is very close to Antarctica. After this city, there are no any countries and no any places there, and here is very cold and also windy. So here is few devotees also here we met with here. So just I want to speak about the glories of very nearest and dearest of our Gurudev disciple and my God sister Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtotra Srimad Srila Bhakti Madhuri Uma Didi. I know about him many years. Just I remember when I came in Devananda Gaudiya Math and 1980, 82 or 81 or 82, and that time also I also met with her. She has so much love and affection with all the brahmacharis, and I saw her transcendental mood, Dajga Dibba Murti, how she also love and affection with our Guru Vargas, and especially she is so much attached with Srila Gurudev Sri Narayan Goswami Maharaj, and also she has so much attachment with Srila Trivikram Goswami Maharaj. Mostly she also and glorified about Nitya Pracham Vishnupad Ashtotra Srila Trivikram Goswami Maharaj, because she was born in Bengal in Chunchura. Her mother was a high class exalted devotee of Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj, and her mother so much expert how to serve all the Vaishnava and Vaishnavis. And especially our Gurudev Nitya Prishtam Vishnupad Ashtotra Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj most of the time also spent her house in Chunchura, because her mother, she was the disciple of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Astudhara Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj. Uma Didi, she told her life history, how she was in young. That time she was so much proud of her beauty and her education, qualification, and also in her university college. So for this regard, sometimes she used to come Navadip, and she met with Nityala Vishnupad Ashtottara Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj. Keshav Goswami Maharaj also two times also asked to her take receive Harinam, but she did not receive. And she used to come Chuchura to Navadip Dham Parikrama, but once her mother approached to Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj about her, then Param Guru Maharaj Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj just told her, hey, Uma, you have to now take this Kanchi Mala. So Uma Didi, she told me. At that time, Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj also with with his own hands also put her the Kanchi Mala around her neck. She also faith with Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj. Then after few years, when Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj departed from this material world, then my Gurudev Sri Bhakti Nityala Bhakti Vedanta Sri Bhaman Goswami Maharaj, he became the Acharya of Gaudiya Vedanta Samiti, and that time she became very upset and she told, what precious things I got, but I lost. Helai Harai Nuse Pramadan. And that means she told, that precious things I lost. And that time I could not understand the causeless mercy of Nityala Prishtam Vishnupad Ashtottara Sthavan Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj. But when Gurudev Sri Bhaman Goswami Maharaj became the Acharya of Gaudiya Vedanta Samiti, then Uma Didi, she also approached toward Nityala Prishtam Vishnupad Ashtottara Bhakti Vedanta Sri Bhaman Goswami Maharaj and took Harinam and Diksha from her. But she has so much attached with the Harikatha of Nityala Prishtam Vishnupad Ashtottara Sthavan Bhakti Vedanta Sri Narayan Goswami Maharaj. But Narayan Goswami Maharaj mostly he used to stay in Mathura because Narayan Goswami Maharaj Harikatha is Braj Harikatha and so much attractive. But Uma Didi, she told, I was staying in Chuchura and with my mother, and so I every day used to come in the temple of Chunchuda temple because Chunchuda temple Mandir Udharan Gaudiya Math temple. Chunchuda Udharan Gaudiya Math temple very close to her mother house. She was born in a high class aristocracy family, and her mother and all their families member very high class and aristocracy family. If you go the house of Umadi's mother's house, you can realize then you see that the house is as like British pattern house because there is so much aristocracy. So and here many rooms. Also when I came in Chuchura, also and I got associated with her mother. Then that means Uma Didi's mother, and how she was great Vaishnavi. And we heard about Madhavi Devi at the time of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, how Madhavi Devi, she completely surrendered with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. In the same way, Uma Didi's mother, she completely surrendered lotus feet of Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj, and she also served all Vaishnavas and love and affection with the devotees. So just I remember, I met with Uma Didi's mother, then I saw and Uma Didi's mother, then my heart melted. And I read Chaitanya Charitamritam, the Madhavi Devi's character and her mood. In the same mood of Uma Didi's mother, and so much love and affection, and so much always absorbed to serve Guru and Vaishnavas. For this regard, most of the Vaishnavas, when they used to come in Chulchura temple, they were staying in the house of Uma Didi's mother's house because she has so many and facilities, rooms, and also Uma Didi's mother, she cooked sweet prasadam and offering Thakurji this way. So for this regard, most of the Vaishnavas, those who are coming from Devananda Gaudiya Math, even Sannyasi, Brahmachari, all they are staying in the house of Uma Didi's mother's house. And Uma Didi is also, all their families member, they also so much love and affection with the Guru and Vaishnavas. So just remember, Uma Didi, she also same way, she has love and affection with the Vaishnavas. Anyhow, Uma Didi, he told, she also used to go to Udharan Gaudiya Math and listen Hari Katha from Nitya Vishnupada Ashtotra Bhakti Vedanta se Trivikram Goswami Maharaj. But Trivikram Goswami Maharaj Hari Katha, so much strong Hari Katha. That means Trivikram Goswami Maharaj Hari Katha is cut all the negative things, and every day he also cut the negative things. And Jivir Sarubhai, Krishna Nityadas, Krishna Saraswati, Vedavid Prakash. He always used this. And Trivikram Goswami Maharaj always he spoke about how to renounce, detach from the material sense gratifications. And because conditioned soul so much attached with the material sense gratification. So for this regard, Trivikram Goswami Maharaj mostly he talked about how to detach from the material sense gratification. And Trivikram Maharaj, he also served himself. He did not take service from any others. That means he served A to Z, Juta Salai to Chandipat. In this way, Trivikram Maharaj. Uma Didi, she told, sometimes he used to go the temple and listen Hari Katha from the mouth of Trivikram Goswami Maharaj. And slowly, I detached from all the material things and also completely surrender lotus feet of Guru and Vaishnava and servicing it. Then after a few years, Uma Didi, she asked Srila Guru Nanak Goswami Maharaj, I want to go Braj and do bhajan and sadhana. Then Srila Gurudev Nanak Goswami Maharaj also gave permission to her to come in Mathura, and she also came in Mathura, and she was staying in Mathura, our Keshavji Gaudiya Math. And she gave all her jewels, everything for the service of Mathura temple. Actually, Mathura temple that time was not so much opulence. So Uma Didi, she also gave all her jewels, ornaments, gold, everything to Srila Gurudev Nanak Goswami Maharaj. And Srila Gurudev Nanak Goswami Maharaj, and with her money, he also, that means Srila Gurudev Nanak Goswami Maharaj, he also renovated and Keshavji Gaudiya Math, and especially I saw in the Keshavji, in the top of the temple, that is called dome, that also um, Umadis all gold melt and also put that the kumbha. Kumbha means that is called the golden dome. Umadidi actually. So Umadidi so much served to our Guru and Vaishnavas, giving and what did he say? Get some donation from her parents or her brother or anyone. She did not use anything for herself. Everything she also gave to Gurudev Nanak Goswami Maharaj and so serve all Guru and Vaishnavas. Her Vaishnav Seva, that is called the unique and unparalleled. For this regard, every Vaishnava is always pleased with her. And I saw in the Brajamandal Parikrama or Gaurumandal Parikrama, all Vaishnavas and coming in front of her, and she also serve all the Vaishnavas, giving some cloth, food, even this, and whatever is need, she also give to everybody. And so much love and affection with the Vaishnava. For this regard, every Vaishnava and remember to her. Still nowadays, also all the temple of Gaudiya Math remember to her, especially in our Gaudiya Vedanta Samitis, all Vaishnavas and remember to her. And she was very learned and scholar also. She spoke very nice, beautiful Hari Katha. And for this regard, Srila Gurudev Nanak Goswami Maharaj inspired to her to come in Western country. Then she also came in Western country and preached all over the world. And still also thousands of Western devotees remember to her and also observe her appearance day and also her disappearance day. And so today her also disappearance day. I remember how she was love and affection with all the Vaishnavas. Tattva Siddhanta Hari Katha. And so she is very expert and cooking also. She cooks very nice and Bengali preparation and also feed to all the Vaishnavas. And especially she cooked Bengali preparation such as given example as like what is called pitha pana and also talbada. You may know talbada. Talbada means palm fruits. We are going to and talban. So the tal. She also prepared these things. When she used to come Navadvip Dham, that means Brajamandal, Mathura to Navadvip Dham Parikrama. After Navadvip Dham Parikrama, she also carried many kinds of preparation, as like Raghavir Jhuli. She brought many kinds of preparation and brought in Chuchuda, Artha Bengal to Navadvip Dham and served to them. She has so much love and affection with the Vaishnavas. In Prashalis Matavas Vaishnavas. So love and affection. She also listened Hari Katha from Gurudev. And she also love and affection.
Maybe someone from the previous flight has forgotten this item.
Tirtha Goswami Maharaj, Shivananda Prabhu. Because Shivananda Prabhu was so much learned and scholar. For this regard, I saw most of the time he also listened Hari Katha from the mouth of Tirtha Goswami Maharaj, Tirtha Maharaj. And she also most of the time also spent with me listening Hari Katha. And so much love and affection. And oh, I remember Devadevi's love and affection, Tattva Siddhanta. If anybody speak any and Apasiddhanta, then she will become very angry. Most of the time she cut the philosophy of Sahaja Sokhi Vekis, that Tattva Siddhanta. She can't tolerate those who criticize to Guru and Vaishnavas, these things. And so Uma Devi is She always absorbed and bhajan sadhan. Especially I saw, and she every day chanted and 64 rounds holy names and 1 lakh holy names every day chanted. I saw. Then he or she also wake up midnight about 2 a.m. and chanted holy names. Then Nam Nishtha, Seva Nishtha, and servicing only this way. Then wherever Gurudev Janana Goswami Maharaj used to go, she also followed the path of Narayan Goswami Maharaj, listen Hari Katha, and love and affection everywhere. And she also served all Gaudiya Vaishnavas. And so for this regard, today also all Gaudiya Vaishnavas loved and affection with her. She also came in Western countries, she came in Brazil, she came in Costa Rica, still also just I'm in Costa Rica devotees also. So Devuma Didi, she came in Costa Rica, she came in America, in England, America, Australia, everywhere she traveled and also she fulfilled all the desires of our Guru Vargas. And so Uma Didi's life history is unique and unparalleled. For her service and love and affection, for this regard, Srila Gurudev gave her this title that is called um, Bhakti Madhuri. Actual her title and name is also successful. How she was love and affection this way. And Tattva Siddhanta. And so again and again I bow down her lotus feet. Maybe one day she will give mercy to me and I will realize her heart and serve to Guru and Vaishnava. Vancha Kruta Kripa Sindhu Evacha Paritanam Pavane Bho Vaishnava